Hey there, idiom lovers! Today let's dive into the world of office politics, starring Jack and his tricky new job. Jack started with high hopes, but reality soon slapped him in the face. Enter Tom, who exclaimed, "You're a dead ringer for our last manager," meaning Jack looked just like him. Tom added, "Hopefully, you're better at remembering names." Ouch! Jack quickly saw that office politics were a minefield. His boss loved playing devil's advocate, always challenging ideas just for fun, meaning he argued the opposite side to stimulate discussion, like suggesting standing meetings for better circulation. It made Jack want to bang his head on the table. Deadlines got tighter, and decisions were always down to the wire, meaning right at the last minute. One teammate completely dropped the ball, forgetting a crucial report, meaning they made a mistake or missed an opportunity. Jack nearly drove up the wall with frustration, meaning he was extremely annoyed. At a company gala, Tom dressed to the nines in a tuxedo, looking straight out of a James Bond movie, meaning he was dressed very elegantly. Turns out the invitation said formal. For a major investment project, Jack's mentor advised, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket," meaning don't risk everything on one single plan. Jack ignored this, and one bad decision nearly tanked the project. His manager often dug in his heels during arguments, ignoring data and sticking to his own ideas, meaning he refused to change his opinion. Jack couldn't help but sigh. Despite the chaos, Jack pushed forward. After all, it's a dog-eat-dog world out there, meaning it's highly competitive. He was determined to succeed, standing meetings or not. At the end of a long week, Jack leaned back and smiled. "At least I'm never bored." So there you have it. Surviving office politics with idioms. See you next time.